notorious for honor killings, but today breaking with the past, one of the largest Khap panchayats in Haryana passed a revolutionary resolution permitting inter-caste marriages. The Khap chief says that the times are changing, but it seems this move is also born out of necessity. The problem of chronic bachelors galore in Haryana because of the state's skewed sex ratio.
Meet Sonu Sharma, 26-year-old educated boy from Narnond village in Hisar, Haryana.
शादी क्यों नहीं हो पाई अभी तक की? लड़कियां नहीं थी इस वजह से कि आप पढ़ाई कर रहे थे?
लड़कियों की प्रॉब्लम है, पढ़ाई भी कर रहे थे, बहुत कुछ देखा जाता हमारे यहाँ पर। वो सब कुछ मैं पूरा नहीं कर पा रहा था, शायद कुछ ऐसा ही।
And he is not the only one. Ram's story is even more telling.
28 साल के।
आपकी शादी क्यों नहीं हुई अभी तक?
शादी तो जमीन नहीं है, नौकरी नहीं, शादी किस लिए होगी?
अच्छा, लेकिन आप अभी बता रहे थे कि ट्राई करा था आपने?
हाँ, 70,000 रुपये मिला था जी, बता तुम गई, वहाँ भाग गई।
भाग गई? कहाँ से लाए थे?
उड़ीसा से।
It's because of boys like Sonu and Ram that the Khap Panchayat of Satrol has taken a decision that surprised many by doing away with a 650-year-old tradition. A Mahakhap on Sunday gave their go-ahead to inter-caste marriages that have in the past triggered bloody killings in the state. Under the new order, inter-caste marriages as well as weddings between families within a radius of 42 villages and those by personal choice will now be allowed. However, the Khap Panchayats are still strictly against same Gotra and same village marriages. Several Khaps have even asked for amendments in the Hindu Marriage Act. This in the past had led to several cases of honor killings reported around the area. But this particular Khap still has its own reasons behind the move.
से अपनी ढंग से जीने की प्रवृत्ति बनाएं, उसी के लिए हम प्रयत्न करते हैं और सेम गोत्र जो है वो प्रतिबंध होना ही चाहिए.
There are no official figures on honor killings in India, but the All India Democratic Women's Association says its research shows about 1,000 such cases take place nationwide every year. Khap Panchayats often in news for their strict punishment based on age-old customs and traditions, their move even bordering a regressive tone. But this time around, their decision could well lead to eradication of a social evil, honor killing. So here's hoping not just this village, but others across the area will also be following suit. With camera person Sachin from Hisar, I'm Sonal Mehrotra, NDTV.